Okay, so this machine today comes with this factor. This is the part where you go like this and it'll inflate both sides. You have the attachment to put like a smaller balloon. Let me see, like these little ones. So these little attachments go right here. They screw on here, one on each side, and this is for the smaller balloons, like this. So let's say it does come with it right here with the right here. You connect it. You see here the open top. This is where you store your stuff. You'll store your cord. That way everything goes nice and neat in here. This case did come with a lot of more attachments. It came with some these balloons here. It came with some of these, the darts. All this came with so many balloons, and it came with the dots and the arches, and it also has these, so you go ahead and hold it like this. It's so when you're tying the balloons, this is how to tie it. It also has this. These little rings are so you can put the balloons in and make it a little bit of spiral. It does have streamer too. So this whole set came really well packed. It also has this little streamer too, so you could tie your balloons up. It's done this really quick. You get to build this with this balloon machine. So easy. Alright, you guys, this is the balloons. This is the finishing.